Hey guys, I'm David Kleinhans. I'm a professional development specialist here at CodeHS, focusing heavily on helping teachers understand AI. You know, teachers are the most time-stressed job function in America. I know I spent 15 years in the classroom and I struggled with both efficiency issues and effectiveness issues. And efficiency is some of the daily administration, writing letters of rec, doing seating charts, doing curriculum mapping. AI helps with that. And then from an effectiveness side, I want to release a quiz, but I want to make sure period 3 doesn't know what period 1 had, and I have college prep, on-level, honors kids, so I have to generate 6 copies of a quiz and make sure it's all kind of balanced. AI is a great resource for that. So I think it helps teachers get more time to spend shoulder to shoulder with the kids and be more effective. Yeah, what are the 5 topics in every AI PD? Well, to start off, there's AI basics. That's the first module. Learning the jargon, large language models. 2, chatbot use. Which one you should use, how do you effectively prompt a chat? The third, the meat of it, is really the 7 effective use cases for teachers, from brainstorming to data analytics. 4th, how's it used in apps? How can you use it today in apps already? And the 5th is AI challenges and overcoming some of them and fostering an environment of academic integrity. Get creative, dive in, participate, in a course, in a cohort. This is something you can do.